Congress has distanced itself from Sam Pitroda's comment. Jairam Ramesh has posted, Sam Pitroda has been a mentor, a friend, philosopher and guide to many across the world, including me. He has made numerous enduring contributions to India's developments. He is president of the Indian Overseas Congress. Mr. Pitroda expresses his opinions freely on issues he feels strongly about. Surely, in a democracy, an individual is at liberty to discuss, express and debate his personal views. This does not mean that Mr. Pitroda's views reflect the position of the Indian National Congress. Many times they do not. Sensationalizing his comments now and tearing them out of context are deliberate and desperate attempts at diverting attention away from Mr. Narendra Modi's malicious and mischievous election campaign that is only anchored in lies and more lies. Rahul Gautam is getting us more details. Rahul, the Congress understands the gravity of this statement and the situation and the kind of weight this statement carries in an election season, and hence this quick clarification.
Absolutely, Sneha. Congress clearly understands that this statement can backfire, ahead of a second phase of polling, and therefore Congress party has distanced itself from the statement that was made by Sam Pitroda, wherein suggested that India should have an inheritance law as they have in USA. And clearly, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, in fact, not just distanced itself, the party from a statement. He said that, such comments could be coming in, but, some people are trying to distort these statements for their own vested interest. The Congress party clearly understands that this wealth distribution thing, which the BJP has been, propagating and trying to create a narrative that whenever Congress government is going to come, they're going to take away your, wealth. This thing can actually, turn the tide into the favor of BJP, can actually, dent the electoral prospects of the Grand Old Party. Therefore, they're doing every bit, to suppress, this issue. And therefore, in the same context, Mr. Jairam Ramesh has made it very clear that whatever Mr. Sam Pitroda has said, he said it in his personal capacity, and party has nothing to do with it.
Right, in personal capacity, and the party has got nothing to do with it, says the Congress party. But these statements, in fact, statements of this nature as far as wealth tax is also concerned, is something that is continuously being used by the BJP, including the Prime Minister, during the course of the campaign. Rahul. Sam Pitroda, in fact, spoke about US's inheritance tax. In fact, this has given an opportunity to the BJP to say that this is what the Congress intends to do, take away your money. So if you are, in fact, inheriting money, you will be heavily taxed, is what the suggestion of the Congress is. The BJP says the Gandhi family loyalist here is spilling the beans on what the Congress intends to do. A huge furor over wealth tax as far as these statements are concerned, and politics over what has recently been said by Congress leaders. The BJP using this during the course of the election campaign. Jairam Ramesh says Sam Pitroda's views are his own, not that of the Congress parties. This is what is now being said essentially by the Congress party in defense of what has been said by Sam Pitroda, saying that he's free to voice his opinions. It is their opinion, it is his opinion rather, it isn't our opinion. The Congress in fact has said that we've said nothing of this nature in our manifesto, and that it's mischievous to say that this is what the Congress intends to do.